Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this easy garlic parmesan scallops recipe. Before I begin, do me a quick favor. If you're new here, please subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to thumbs it up and let's jump right into the recipe. All right, guys, I'm using about 10 to 15 scallops. Make sure they're nice and dry. I am using a napkin to pat them dry. I'm going to mix the seasoning together with a spoon. Then we are going to drizzle some olive oil to the scallops. Now I'm going to sprinkle the seasoning all over the scallops. Make sure you generously season these because as you're cooking the scallops, you might lose some seasoning, okay? I just wanted to throw that out there. If you want to season your scallops in the pan, you definitely can. To a medium-high heat skillet, you are going to drizzle some olive oil. Then you are going to place your scallops in there. Make sure the oil or the pan is extremely hot because you want a nice, beautiful sear on these, okay? I'm going to cook the scallops for about 2 minutes per side. Once one side is nice and golden brown, I am going to flip it over, cook the other side, okay? Now, once they're nice and beautiful on both sides, I am going to remove them and set them aside. In the same skillet that I was using, I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter in there. I'm using unsalted butter, however, you can use salted butter. I am going to allow that to melt. Once melted, I have about 4 cloves of garlic that I minced. I am going to cook that for about 10 seconds. Then I am going in with, well, maybe 5 seconds. Then I'm going to add some pepper flakes in there. And then I'm going in with some fresh parsley. Mix it together. Next, we're going to add the Parmesan cheese and give it another stir. Now it's time to place the scallops back in there. You are going to baste this as you go. I've never seen this done before. Probably someone done it before, but I'm like, why not make some garlic parmesan scallops, okay? And it was definitely busting. It was so good. Surprising. Well, it's not surprisingly, but it was bomb, okay? And then I am going to baste it just like so. I added the lemon juice after because I didn't, I like to add it. I like the sour. Yeah, this is the lemon juice. I like to add that after. At this point, it's done. Okay, so I added the lemon juice, baste it again, boom, boom. Your garlic parmesan scallops are ready. And basically this is it. How beautiful, and it tastes so good. I can't wait for y'all to try and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me though. If you haven't done so already, I'm watching you. Please hit the video with a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.